A Yorktown mother is praising a new state law which will help teachers better recognize the signs of dyslexia in the classroom. She says it could make a difference in the way children like hers learn. Our TV6 State House reporter Katie Hines explains.
Nancy Perry recognized the warning signs early when her twin sons were in preschool. She says they had a hard time rhyming, sounding out letters, and later on, reading.
It's very staggering the difference that early identification can make.
She started asking questions immediately, but it wasn't until fourth grade, several years later, that Nancy's sons Nate and John were diagnosed with dyslexia.
The school said, well, that is something that they didn't identify dyslexia, that we would have to talk to the pediatrician about that. But what they didn't know was the pediatrician is the one who recommended that we go to the school. So we found ourselves in that circle that so many families find themselves in.
The intervention included tutoring and help reading. Now she says she feels a moral obligation to help other families like hers. Understanding that early intervention sooner than her sons received is key. Perry testified at the State House for a bill that's now been signed into law. It requires early screening for dyslexia in every school that'll be used to determine additional services needed. Each district will be required to employ a reading specialist who's trained in dyslexia. The new law will take effect on July 1st. Katie Hines, RTV6.